If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, click on subscribe button and hit all bell icon to get notification on channel updates. Hello viewers, today I am sharing you a very healthy breakfast recipe. It's easy and takes less time to prepare. Let us quickly start without waiting. Take whole wheat bread slices. I have taken 4 slices here. Now cut the slice inside in square shape. Separate outer and inner parts like this. Do the same for rest of the slices. Into a bowl, add 3 eggs. If you are taking more bread slices, increase number of eggs. Now take a small onion and finely chop it. One small tomato or half big tomato. Capsicum. Take half of it and finely chop it. Chop few coriander leaves. Now add salt as per taste. Pinch of turmeric powder. Half spoon of chilli powder. Beat well with egg beater or fork till it becomes frothy. Only then egg becomes soft when toasted. Heat the pan and add oil or butter. Butter can be added for more tastier recipe. Now keep the flame low and place the outer parts of the bread slices. Stir the mixture with a spoon and then gently pour into the middle portion of the slice. You can also add cheese slice on top of this if you like to have cheesy toast. Now place the inner part of the slice and cover it. Press gently with hand once and then with spatula. Cover with lid and leave it for 1 minute. Remember, you keep the flame low. Now check if the bottom part is toasted and gently flip the slice. Close the lid again and leave it for 1 minute. Now the other side is also toasted. Repeat the same steps for the other 2 slices and toast. Cut the toasted slice with knife or pizza cutter. Healthy and hot egg toast is ready. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.